Hey there, junior creation scientists. Let's dig into Earth's past with another exciting Kids on Mission adventure, Foundations of Paleontology. Grab your tools and gear and let's explore what the rocks and fossils can tell us about Earth's history and the past life contained in the fossil record. In this challenge, you'll explore how fossils are formed and all the types of fossils. You'll examine the clues left behind in the fossil record to learn more about past life here on Earth. You'll investigate the geologic column and analyze it according to conventional science interpretations and the Bible. I don't want to tell you everything, but you'll see that the geologic column gives overwhelming evidence that confirms Earth's history as recorded in Scripture. No paleontology study is complete without talking about our favorite extinct reptiles, dinosaurs. We will discuss where dinos fit into Earth's history, what happened to them, and debunk some of the most common myths about them. But that's not all. You'll meet a geologist and a paleobiochemist and get to hear from someone who has had the opportunity to dig for dino bones himself. Finally, you'll learn how to look for fossils and how to dig, prep, and care for the fossils you find. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to begin. Grab your gear and let's dig in. So he, that is God, destroyed all living things which were on the face of the ground, both man and cattle, creeping thing and bird of the air. They were destroyed from the earth. Only Noah and those who were with him in the ark remained alive. Genesis 7:23.